I am super excited to show you guys this. I told you guys that I would let you know. Look at my little spider plant bloomed. She has a beautiful little flower. She's gonna have many more. I'm so happy. Oh, it's not focusing. There we go. Oh my goodness. Just a little bit of a sneak peek, but I'm making a mushroom mobile type thing. But oh my goodness. If you guys know what is wrong with my rose bush, she's completely wilted away besides this one piece of foliage down there. I have no idea. I feel like she's just dying. But let me know in the comments if you guys know. But I can't wait for you guys to find out how many babies I'm gonna get from this. I'm so excited, you guys.